other exciting thing to me about DESTINY-Breast11 is the fact that it's just 4 cycles of T-DXd. Is that an opportunity with this increase in pCR? Because the pCR patients don't need an ADC in the adjuvant setting in particular. So is this an opportunity for de-escalation if we can increase that pCR rate and then not have to worry about TDM1 or T-DXd we'll talk about next in the DB05 trial? But what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I think that's such
Because those are 14 cycle regimens.
Right.
Both of them.
Yeah, this is an incredibly important point here. Certainly, I view this as when you improve the pCR rate, not only do you have the potential of improving the long-term outcomes, but you also have the potential of saving the patient from added toxicity in the adjuvant setting, in the residual disease setting, because you're reducing residual disease. So I think that this is an added potential plus of the study. You know, you also mentioned, and I wanted to sort of come back to this, but go back to the anthracycline taxane debate. You know, in TRAIN 2, it was a lot of taxane. So to loop back to your point about 4 cycles of T-DXd, you know, I think that if we're thinking about using a TCHP regimen as the alternative, we have to really use quite a few cycles of TCHP.
And that's a difficult regimen for many patients.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. So I think, as you have alluded to, I think the limited cycles, the 4 cycles of T-DXd is another benefit of this regimen.